All right, today is 2003 Ford Ranger. This is a rental truck for the business, and it came back with a bunch of errors. Another video about the compression and some of the work I'm doing on that, and then now ABS. So, based on the code, the recommendation is replace the solenoid for the speedometer, basically, and replace the one on the rear differential. Now, I did buy the front sensors. I'm not going to replace them yet, but I'm going to replace these two sensors now. And common error with these, I think it was 1 through 3 Rangers had this known problem. So I'm going to go ahead and replace those two sensors, and then see if that P0500 error continues. I'm trying to get a good angle on it. It's right here, and should be just a tab on that you pull. There we go. It's just a button. It's just a button right here on the side that you pull. T27 hex. Millimeter bolt. Alrighty, that one's out. Jeez. Alrighty.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.